Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add vector effects to your picture on the Lumii-Photot Editor application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Select a picture from your device and go to the effects button at the bottom of the page, and here you can find the vector option next to the glitch button, and here you can find the different type, for example sky, sunlight, snow, fog and cloud, and just select one, for example the sky 01, and if you want to edit this effect, just drag the circle on the line and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.